Congratulations on taking action. You have just taken the first step down the pathway of success. Most people who are sick and tired of their dead-end job just sit there and stew in silence. But no, not you. You are one of those rare individuals who have said, "Enough is enough, I am taking my life back." Just a few short months ago, I did just this. I was sick of driving almost 50 miles a day, working a high-stress job where I was not appreciated, and I decided it was time for me to take back control of my life. So, what did I do? I watched a video that gave me step-by-step instructions on how to succeed and profit in an online business. On the next page, you are going to watch that very same video. It will demonstrate how you can build a profitable online business that can generate for you and your family a 7-figure income if you are willing to put in the work. Yes, I said work. This is a real online business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. And I think you are going to love what you see. Now, I don't know where you are at. If you are nearing retirement and you are bored or looking for a side hustle, or maybe you are sick of working 40, 50 or 60-hour work weeks for the man. Or maybe you are a stay-at-home mum who's got a little extra time on her hands. No matter where you are at, imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create, from scratch, an online business to empower yourself to take your life back and to finally enjoy what you do. So, if you would like to see this video, click the button directly below and you will be sent immediately over to the next page. Be sure to take immediate action on what you learn, and I cannot wait to walk alongside you and help set you free. From time to time, I will be sharing a little more about myself and how starting a profitable online business has drastically changed my life, and how it can also change yours. So be on the lookout for my emails. Now, to get started, click the button below.